Hello everyone. So in this video we would see implementation of A-star algorithm using Python. So we are using this particular graph where from source H to goal G would be our task to find the shortest path of this use and also to find the total cost of to find this path. Let's run this. Okay. Now we'll be using min heap and priority queue to control the data structure. So for that we'll import heap push and heap pop from heap queue. Then you have to define this graph, so using adjacency list. So defining the graph where this S node is connected to A, B and C, and 4, 10, 11 are the path, are the weightage to reach the nodes. Okay, and same for A, B, C and the rest of them. And the heuristic values mean the heuristic values are again defining in another adjacency list. Okay, let's run this as well. From here we'll start writing our function, which is define A star. Okay, we'll simply pass this graph and the start node and the goal and also the heuristic value, mean hue. Sorry, so I didn't do that. Now first you have to initialize an empty priority queue. Then we'll use heap push to push value into this queue. So pq comma whose like the node with the less heuristic value will get entered into this pq. So 0 plus heuristic value of the start, and also for the source node our goal cost would be 0 and the current node is start and the path is empty, right? And we'll simply initialize an empty set to track our visited elements. Now while pq we have to extract values from our pq. So total function cost, goal cost, current node and path. Here we'll use heap pop from pq. Okay, now again if this current is same is equals to our goal, then we have to return that path will be path plus current and our goal cost, right? Then again if current in visited, we'll simply continue the function. Then visited dot add, we'll add our current into the visited. Then for neighbor I'm taking it as n and weight as w in graph dot get current and the path, and if neighbor not in visited, then we'll simply calculate our total goal cost, which is goal cost plus our weight. Then we have to calculate our total functional cost, which is total goal cost plus heuristic of that particular node, mean the n. After doing that, we'll hit push again into our PQ with the value of F cost and total goal cost, and the current mean the neighbor function, and path plus current. This would be plus current. Then simply we'll return none and float inf. We have run this. Now we have to initialize, we have to start to give our start and goal node. So start would be, let's say, big of block S, and goal node I'm taking as G. Then we'll be having path and cost from our A star function. So path cost, then simply call our function star, pass the arguments graph start goal hue, then simply you will print the return path and the return cost values. Okay, there is an error, so name current. Okay, this will be double R. Okay, so the path is S A D F G and the total cost is 23. So that's it. So thanks for watching.